Hey everyone, welcome back to ThemeHunk. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Shop Mania WordPress theme to the latest version. First, let's check which version of the theme we're currently using. To do this, go to Plugins. Here you'll see the version number appear. In this case, we're using version 1.2.5. So for updating to the latest version, click here on Add New option, and click on Upload Theme. Now here we have to upload a zip file of the latest version of the Theme Pro plugin. To download the latest version of the plugin, go to your members area account on ThemeHunk.com. Now log in to your account by entering your ID password, entering a captcha and clicking on the login button. Now you can see your account on ThemeHunk. To download the latest version of the theme, click on the Pro Plugins tab here. Now click on the Shop Mania Pro plugin to download. Now we have to install the latest version of the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Choose File option, and upload the latest version of the plugin zip file, and click on Install Now. You can see there is a new version of the plugin that is asking to install. Now click on the Replace Active with Uploaded button here. To check whether you have the latest version of the or not, click here on the installed plugins, and here you can see the latest version 1.2.6 of the plugin. Now you have successfully installed the latest version of the theme. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the theme updation process. If you have any questions, you can ask via the comment section, or you can also contact us anytime. Thanks for watching this video.